Hi, we're gonna make a beautiful snow globe picture today. It looks like it has real water and glass and wood. First, trace a circle with a pencil. If you think you can just draw it by hand, that's fine too. I left some room at the bottom so I can do two leany lines and a curve to make the base. Once you like your pencil, you may use Sharpie on top. And now is gonna be the magic no paint paint. Blue line on the inside of your circle, and then a brown line, or any color you'd like the base to be, on the inside lines of the base. Next, it's time to use a Sharpie to create your inside features. I just made a line from edge to edge to make the snow. As you know, a snow person is a circle with another circle underneath and a third circle underneath that. Take a look at how I do it with this one, a large circle and then kind of a U-shape ball under that and a U-shape ball under that. Dots make eyes like charcoal or pebbles. You can do a pointy carrot nose and all of those parts on a snow person that you love. You can do different kinds of hats by doing a bump on top of their head, maybe for like a beanie, or a larger saucer bump that makes that kind of hat. Any kind of hat you like to draw. Your hat can even have the square top. Don't forget arms, maybe even scarves, details that make your snow people come alive. And then I felt like I needed to add something else. You can add mountains in the background. I decided to add a house in the background for these snow people to live in. It's a little bit small, but it's behind them. So I just did a square with a triangle roof. You can also put trees behind your snow people by doing a little zigzag line from up above them and stopping it when it gets behind them. I did 2 trees. All right, you may add your name or your family's name to the bottom of your snow globe, or you can just write the word winter. And then you get to go in and take your time adding color to all those little details. I decided to use green for my trees, brown for my house, but red for the door, all kinds of different color hats, and of course orange for the carrots. And snow is white, but rather than leaving it completely white, it's good to put some swirls of blue so we know that it is snow. This is a white oil pastel. If I do a little curvy line of white a few different places near my blue edge, that's gonna make it look like a glass globe. I'm now touching a wet brush onto my blue line, and voila, by blending that color inwards, this all begins to look like a very round blue globe. I'm cleaning my brush every time so that I don't mix the blue when I go to now add the brown. The brown is nice and clean because I clean my brush in between the 2 colors. That's it. What ideas can you come up with?